This is me. I'm in Israel, and this is my big Jewish Ethiopian family reunion. A reunion of my great-grandmother's lineage, hundreds of people connected to one woman. This is my mom, Yeshua Kainalam, and this is her father, Mengistu Degu, and we're at his mother's, Deborah Senvetu's, family reunion. My great-grandmother never made it to Israel. She never reached Jerusalem, but she believed her children would. Standing here at this reunion, I can see her belief everywhere. Families meeting families, generations recognizing each other, stories being told, names being spoken, memories kept alive. Each branch of her family standing together, her siblings' lineages, proof that her life did not end with her. This is what it means to be fruitful and multiply, not just to survive, but to grow, to expand life as Jews. All of this is happening in the land of Israel, the land she prayed towards, the land she dreamed of. My grandfather made it here, his children made it here, and now we gather here at a family reunion as her living answer.